am Dr. Girish SP, Head of General and GI Surgery at Aster RV Hospital, JP Nagar, Bangalore. Today, I will be discussing a topic on bariatric surgery, or otherwise called as weight loss surgery. So now the obesity is on the rise. Obesity we define when we take the height and weight ratio more than 30, but not all of them are qualified for bariatric surgery. So basically anybody with BMI, the body mass index of more than 35 are considered if they have some comorbidities. When they have complications such as diabetes, hypertension, knee pains, and then also sleep apnea syndrome, these people are qualified in early stage. Otherwise, if this condition or obesity is left untreated, will lead to severity and uncontrol of these diseases. Obesity is on the rise due to changing dietary habits. Obesity leads to a lot of restriction of function, which is the main problem in the early stages, and if we leave it untreated, it can lead to lot of complications. Restriction of function in terms of restricted movement, inactivity, and not able to participate in regular activities or sporting event, etc. And also complications, long-term complications such as diabetes, hypertension, knee pain, and also it can lead to cancers, etc. So the treatment is very important. Though it appears that obesity is not a major illness, it has, in the long-term scientific survey, it has been proven that it leads to restricted function and less productive activities. So the mainstay of treatment in early stage, we divide the obesity into grade 1, grade 2 and super obese. Grade 1 is from 30 to 35 BMI, and beyond 35 is up to 40 is called as grade 2, and more than 40 is super obese. The main treatment in early stage is diet and exercise. Though it requires a lot of preparation and mental makeup from patient side, it is possible because it requires less effort and not very long-term effort. But when patient crosses BMI more than 35, it requires real hard work in terms of diet and exercise. Though it is possible in limited percentage of patients, most of them would require surgery. Anybody above 40 BMI, very difficult to control with diet and exercise. Invariably they fall into the surgical candidates. In surgery, we have endoscopic surgery and laparoscopic surgery. Endoscopy is done through endoscoping through the oral cavity, and we put a balloon. A balloon is kept for 3 to 6 months, and it restricts the food intake. So hence patient reduces weight. By then patient will get used to the diet pattern and also behavioral change, so they can maintain to some extent. But there is high chance of recurrence. In the surgery, the laparoscopic surgery where we perform some definitive alteration in the food passage in the stomach as well as in the intestine. This will lead to long-term in the sense up to 15 years, long-term restriction of food intake and adjustment of the digestion, which will lead to permanent, regular, sustained weight loss, and with some side effect, but which can be with regular checkups, which can be controlled. We are available here in OPD services from 9 to 5 with 24 hours emergency and ICU coverage.